Functions of political parties. So number 1, preparation of election manifesto. Actually, this manifesto means a public declaration of policy, especially one issued before election. So here the first function is preparation of election manifesto by the political parties. At first, the election agenda is arranged through manifesto. So this election agenda means a list of items to be discussed in formal meeting. So how they have to create election agenda and is arranged through manifesto. How they are arranged? Only through the requirement of the public or the voters, like good governance. So the first thing is the preparation of election manifesto. So for the sake of preparation, the election agenda is arranged through manifesto. So the main intention of political parties is capturing power with popular support. Next, this election manifesto prepared by political party reflects the ideological commitment or ideological responsibility of the party, which includes voters' requirement like good governance through infrastructure development. Number 2, selection of the candidate. The selection of best candidate is made on the basis of popularity, acceptability and responsiveness to the grievances or injustice of people. Usually, all parties prepare the list of such candidates to win election. Number 3, political education and awareness. Political parties impart political education to the people. So this political party are ready to give political education to the people and make them to realize their responsibilities. Whose responsibilities? Their people's responsibilities or the citizens' responsibility. The ideologies along with the previous achievements are highlighted to attract the voters during electioneering. So whatever happened in previous year, so this has been attracted the voters during the time of electioneering. Through this, voters compare and contrast or they differentiate and decide their future course of action. Thus, the people have an opportunity to get political education and awareness about national and regional issues. Number 4, to contest election. Through proper filing of nomination and getting B form, it is a form which is ascertained or to make sure that the candidate is official. So this B form is filed in respective offices of returning officers. So these returning officers are an electorate who conduct and announce the result. So here in 4th point, there should be proper filing of nomination and getting B form, which is ascertained or make sure that the candidate is official, and this B form is filed in the respective offices of returning officer. Number 5, election campaign. The candidate who are in fray or who are in ready are supported by the party in all possible ways. Provision for election expenses using public platform by speeches from the leaders of parties and through electronic and mass media to win the election. Number 6, formation of the government. Here, after the declaration of the results, the party which secures or win majority forms the government. So the administration is carried on within the constitution framework along with implementing or following the assurance or the words or guarantee mentioned in the manifesto at the time of election. Firstly, they have prepared an election manifesto. So they have to work according to the assurance that given to the public which is mentioned in manifesto at the time of election. At the same time, it maintains discipline within the party by imposing party norms. Number 7, acts as opposition party. The political parties which fail to secure majority in election, they act as opposition party. So they in the sense opposition party apply the brake or they apply obstacle to the unconstitutional decision and policies of ruling party. Whatever the thing which goes against the constitution, so they will be peeping the mistake. Thus, they stand as a brake to unconstitutional decision and policies of ruling party and help to the streamline or help to make the administration smoothly. The next, the opposition party is always ready to step into the shoes of ruling party by highlighting the wrongdoings in administration. At last, it acts as a watchdog of democracy. This opposition party acts as a watchdog of democracy. Number 8, formation of public opinion. The political party acts as a best agency in formulating the public opinion. The achievements of ruling party are published and highlighted through media and public platforms. Opposition parties organize rallies, conduct roadshows and seminars to expose the failures of ruling party. That's why they are known as a watchdog. Such activities of the parties enlighten or inform the masses or large number of people and led to the formation of healthy public opinion. Number 9. Bridge between government and the people. Political parties act as a bridge between the government and the people. The leaders of the parties try to reach the people through policies and programs. They draw attention of the government towards the problems of the people and get remedies. Number 10. Promotes the national interest. It is risk of all the political party to protect the unity and integrity of the nation. Whenever there is a threat, both within or outside the parties have to unite themselves, keeping aside their ideological and parochial or narrow-minded differences.